Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix runtime error on Windows 11. This issue usually happens when the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable is corrupted or when Windows system files are damaged. Don't worry, let's fix it step by step. First, click on Search and type Control Panel. Open it. Under the Programs, click on Uninstall a program. Now look for Microsoft Visual C++ v 14 Redistributable x64, Microsoft Visual C++ v 14 Redistributable x86. These packages are required by many apps and games, and if they are damaged, you may see runtime errors. Double-click one Visual C++ item and choose Uninstall. Do the same for both. After uninstalling both Visual C++, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, install the latest supported Visual C++ Redistributable from Microsoft. Open the browser, search for Microsoft Visual C++. From this search result, click on the first link, click on Visual C++ v14 or scroll down and find this section. From this section, download the both file. After downloading, run both installers and click Yes on the UAC prompt to complete installation. Now restart the computer. If it did not resolve the problem, we'll repair Windows system files. Click Search, type CMD, then choose Run as Administrator. Type this command and press Enter. sfc/scannow. Wait until it reaches 100%. If it finds problems, Windows will automatically fix them. Next, run this command to repair the Windows image. DISM/online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. This may take some time, so be patient. When it finishes successfully, you're almost done. Now restart your PC and open the application again. In most cases, the runtime error will be completely fixed. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.